All right, I have Khaleesi here, and Khaleesi's learning how to ride on the lawnmower with me. Really cool. She's an awesome dog, and we're just gonna go for a little short cruise, and all I'm doing is periodically just rewarding her with a little treat there and making her think this mower is a good deal. Good girl, Khaleesi. So let's just move slow. Good girl. And then we'll stop. Good girl. Good girl. Yes. And we'll go forward. Good girl. And I'm just trying to distract her mind from being scared of being on the mower. So I'm just petting her up a lot and feeding her. Good girl. Good girl, honey. Very good. We'll make a turn here. Good girl. Very good. Now, as long as she's taking food, I know she's good. If she quits taking food, I know she's too stressed out and will stop. Good girl, honey. Good girl. Now what's awesome is she's just looking at me really more than anything. She's not so concerned with what's going on around her. And she's still taking food. This is a hard video to do with one hand. Good girl, baby. Good girl. But we're just going slow. But just the fact that I can go slow like this with her, I know for a fact that later on I could go faster. The more she does this, the more she gets used to it, just like anything else. And at first she wanted to jump off here, but I didn't let her. I didn't let her jump off. I just made her sit on the mower with me, and I fed her, and I petted her, and I told her everything was gonna be okay. And now we're cruising. Now we're gonna stop. Good girl, honey. Good girl. Good girl. And we're gonna go back to the house. Good girl. Now this is the fastest way we've gone. I've got it about, I don't know, quarter to it, or an eighth to a quarter throttle. Get bumpy right here, so I got to be ready. If she jumps off, then I got to be ready to stop so I don't hit her. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, you are a good girl. Yes, you are. Here you go. So that's the video of Khaleesi. Here, you left some food on my leg there. That's the video of Khaleesi. She's going home tonight. I want to do one last video with her. She's an awesome dog. She's a really fun dog. She's the kind of dog that I think she could probably do about anything. The more time you spend with her, the more she loves it. She loves to work. She loves to please. And I'll miss her. So we'll see you later. Khaleesi. That's a good girl. Toodles.